Hi students, rational numbers. For counting you are using the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. These are known as counting numbers. The collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by capital N and it starts from 1. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers include 0 in the natural number. Therefore, whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. It is denoted by capital W. Next, integers. Integers means negative natural numbers and whole numbers. That is, starts from negative numbers, 0 and natural numbers. It is denoted by capital Z. You can say negative numbers is the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. Whole numbers means starts from 0, then negative numbers. Students, now you have one small question. That is, take two integers, that is 0 and 1. Do you have a number between 0 and 1? Yes, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. If you have a doubt, you divide this. 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 3 means third of first portion, one portion. Okay, one of the portion from third. Yes, you have 1 by 2, 1 by 3, like that. That is, if you change the 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means half. Change into decimal means 0.7. If you change the 1 by 3 into decimal means 0.8. Okay. Therefore, you have the number between 0 and 1 in the fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 3. In decimal means 0.7, 0.8. Therefore, now you can call this or non-integers. Integers means from the negative to positive, but we are writing like this, -3, -2, -1, etc. Now you can call these numbers 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 or fractions. 0.7 and 0.8 you can call as decimals. Now you have the numbers integers, non-integers. Now the entire set of integers, fractions, decimals are known as rational numbers. Students, now take one small circle for natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by capital N. It starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Now you can draw a circle around the natural number, that is whole number, because we are including 0 with natural number. Therefore, this is the set of whole numbers. Now you can draw around the circle, that is integer, that is denoted by capital Z, that includes only negative numbers, that is -3, -1, -2, -3, etc. Now this is up to this is an integer. Now you are including non-integers, that is decimals, fractions. Now draw one circle around this, that is rational numbers. Rational number is denoted by capital Q. Students, once again listen the class. That is counting numbers. Counting numbers means we are using the number 1, 2, 3 for counting. That is known as natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by capital N. When you are including 0, that is known as whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Starts from 0. Okay. Natural number starts from 1. Therefore, the smallest natural number is 1. Whole number starts from 0. Therefore, the smallest whole number is 0. Now, we are including the negative numbers. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Therefore, this is called as integers. This is called as integers. Therefore, you can say this integer as natural numbers with 0 and negative natural numbers. Okay. Take two integers, that is 0 and 1. In between these two integers, you have lot of numbers. That is 1 by 2 is half. That is changed into 0.7. 1 by 3 is also a fraction that can be written as 0.8. That is in decimals. Integers and the fractions decimals are known as non-integers. Integers and non-integers are known as rational numbers. Here you have a circle. The smallest circle belongs to natural numbers. Including 0 means whole numbers. Including negative numbers means that is integers. Including fractions and decimal means rational numbers. Now, this is the rational number. Therefore, rational number includes non-integers and integers. Integers and non-integers. One more thing, all natural numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because here one more number, that is 0. All whole numbers are integers, but integers are not whole numbers. All integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers. For example, if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is a rational number but not integer. Okay. Students, now see the definition. The collection of all numbers that can be written in the form a by q, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0 is called rational numbers, which is denoted by q, by the letter capital Q. Okay. Now see the examples. Can you say the examples? 1 by 4, that is fraction. 7, that is integer. Is 7 is in the form of a by b? Yes, because 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Therefore, 7 is also an rational number. Then, negative numbers, that is minus 4 by 3 is also a rational number. Then, is 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 have a denominator, that is 1. Therefore, 0 is also a rational number. Rational numbers on a number line. Rational numbers 1 by 4, 3 by 4, the same number in negative also. minus 1 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. 1 by 4. Let us represent the number 1 by 4 on the number line. 1 by 4 is positive, therefore greater than 0. 1 by 4 means it lies between 0 and 1. 1 by 4 means quarter portion, that is 0.25. Okay, therefore the number lies between 1 by 4 means 0.25. Therefore the number lies between 0 and 1. Therefore you have to represent the number 1 by 4 between 0 and 1. See the number 1 by 4 in the numerator 1, in the denominator 4. See the denominator, the number is 4. Therefore divide the space between 0 and 1 into equal 4 parts. Therefore draw 3 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to divide the portion between 0 and 1 into 4 parts because the denominator is 4. Now your number in the numerator is 1. Therefore you have to take the number here, the first part, that is 1. The portion for this is 1 by 4. Take the next number, that is 3 by 4. Same denominator, therefore you have to divide the number between 0 and 1 into 4 parts. Already we divided. 3 by 4 means here, see the numerator is 3. Therefore third point, that is 1, 2, 3. Therefore the point of this is 3 by 4. See here, the number 1 by 4 is in negative, 3 by 4 is in negative. Therefore you have to come on the left side of 0. Always you must represent the negative numbers in the left side, positive numbers in the right side of 0. Right side of 0 is positive, left side of 0 is negative. Therefore same number, denominator is 4. Therefore divide the portion between 0 and minus 1 into 4 parts. Minus 1 by 4 means you have to take the first position from the right side. From the 0 you have to take the first position, that is minus 1 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 means 1, 2, 3, third position, that is minus 3 by 4. Fourth position means minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4 means what? You can cancel the 4 by 4th table, that is minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay. Writing a decimal as a rational number. Every terminating or repeating decimal can be written in the rational form. Terminating or repeating decimal. Terminating means 0.5. Repeating decimal means 0.5, 6, 7, etc. It goes on. Every terminating or repeating decimal. Okay. Terminating means example 0.5, 0.3, etc. Okay. Repeating decimal means the number 1.35667, it goes on. 2.33333, etc. That are repeating decimal. 0.5 and 0.3 like that are terminating decimal. Every terminating or repeating decimal can be written in the form of rational number. For example, you can see the question, write the following decimal numbers as rationals. Our question, first question, 3.0. See here, 3.0 means, see the decimal. After the decimal, how many digits are there? Only one digit. Okay. Therefore, you have to multiply the 3.0 into 10 and you must divide it by 10. Once again, 3.0. After the decimal, you have only one place, that is 0. Therefore, you have to multiply 10 and divide it by 10. One place means you have to take 10. Two decimal place means you have to multiply 100. Three decimal place means you have to multiply 1000 and divide by 1000. Okay. Now, multiply the numerator, that is 3.0 into 10 means you have to write like this, 3, 0, and you have to multiply the 10, that is 0. Then count the decimal. After the decimal, you have only one digit. From the right, you have to put the digit here, decimal here, cancel the 0. Divided by this 10. Now, you have 30 divided by 10. Once again, listen carefully. 3.0 into 10 divided by 10. Because after the decimal place, you have only one digit. Okay. Therefore, you have to multiply 10 and divide it by 10. 3.0 into 10 means just you have to add one more 0 with this number. That is 30 and one more 0. That is 300. Now check after the decimal how many digits, only one digit. Therefore from the right you have to put the decimal here and cancel the 0. Therefore your value is 30. That is 30 by 10. Now in the numerator you have 30. In the denominator you have 10. If the number ends with 0 in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel the 0. Therefore, your value is 3 by 1. That is, your answer is 3. Second question, 0.25. See the question. After the decimal place, you have two digits, 1, 2. Therefore, you have to multiply 100 and divided by 100. 0.25. After the decimal, two digits, 2 and 5. Therefore, you have to multiply 100 and divide it by 100. 0.25 into 100 means, see, 25 into 100. Therefore, you have to add 2 zeros. After the decimal place, how many digits? 2 digits. Therefore, from the right, count 2 digits. 1, 2, put the decimal and then cancel this 0. Divided by 100. Once again, 25 into 100, 2500. After the decimal, you have 2 digits. Therefore, from the right, you have to take 2 place and put the decimal sign. After the decimal, you have 2 zeros. Therefore, leave that. Therefore, you have 25 by 100. Now, check any common table in the numerator and denominator. Here 25, here 100. Therefore, you can give for fifth table, that is 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here, take the first digit 1. You can't give for 5. Take 10. That is 2 5s are 10. Then here 0. Therefore, you can write immediately. That is 20. 5 5s are 25. 20 into 5, 100. Now you have 5 and 20. Any common table in this? Yes. 1 5 is 5. 4 5s are 20. Therefore, your answer is 1 by 4. Therefore, your answer for 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. Third question, minus 5.8. Anyway, you must check after the decimal how many digits. After the decimal, only one digit. Therefore, you have to multiply and divide it by 10. That is minus 5.8 into 10. That is, can you write immediately? When you are ready to multiply with 10, only one place only you have to skip to the right side. Therefore, minus 58 divided by 10. 1 into 10 means, that is 9 into 10, 90. If you multiply 0.9 into 10, you have to skip right side once because only 1 0. Therefore, the value is 9. Like that, here minus 58 by 10. Now check any common table is here. You can cancel with the 2 table. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. Here, 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1, that is 18. 9 2s are 18. Here, minus 29 by 5. Hereafter, you can't divide. Therefore, you have to change this number into mixed fraction. That you know already. Take the numerator and write like this, that is 29 divided by 5. Give the table 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, like that. 5 5s are 25. Subtract 9 minus 5, that is 4. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Therefore, your remainder is 4. Quotient is 5. Divisor is 5. Therefore, write the sign, write the quotient first, that is 5. Then write the remainder, that is 4 by 5. Once again, if you have a number greater than the denominator, greater than the denominator means the numerator is bigger than the denominator, means 29 divided by 5 means you must divide and find the mixed fraction, that is 29 divided by 5, that is 5 5s are 25. 29 minus 25, that is 4. Write the quotient first, then draw the line like this. Write the remainder here, write the divisor here. You have to write like this, minus 5 4 by 5. Therefore, minus 5.8 can be written as minus 5 4 by 5. That's all. One more question, 1.15. How many digits after the decimal, students? 2 digits. Therefore, you must multiply 100 and divide it by 100. 1.15 into 100 divided by 100. Can you say the answer in the numerator? How many zeros? 2 zeros. Therefore, you have to skip how many places? 2 places. Therefore, 115 divided by 100. Any common table is here? Yes, fifth table. The number ends with 0 and 5 is divisible by 5. Here ends with 5, here ends with 0. Therefore, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. 0 means you must write like this. Now check here. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, you must change. That is 23 divided by 20. 120 is 20. Therefore, the remainder 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore, you can write the quotient, that is 1. Remainder is 3 divided by 20. Therefore, 1.15 can be written as 1 3 by 20. That's all. Students, try this question. All the best.